It's easy to see why the Mitsubishi Outlander plug-in hybrid is the world's best-selling all-wheel drive plug-in hybrid SUV. With the help of twin electric motors, there's almost no limit to what's possible on one tank of gas. And the world is taking notice because life with the Outlander plug-in hybrid can be extraordinary.
Yeah, I haven't been to the gas station in 12 weeks.
Outlander plug-in hybrid gives you all the tools you need to go farther on a tank of gas than you ever imagined. The secret is in the Outlander plug-in hybrid's advanced hybrid drivetrain. You get the benefits of an electric vehicle, like smooth, powerful acceleration and zero emissions driving without the range anxiety. That's because the Outlander plug-in hybrid's gas engine is always there to recharge your battery and keep you going beyond where ordinary EVs quit.
Constantly worrying about when or where to charge? No thanks.
With this plug-in hybrid, you have options. You can charge up at home or work. Or if you don't have much time, a quick 80% charge in 38 minutes with DC fast charge capability. Or on the road by charging with the engine. No special equipment needed, just charge where you can, when you can. The Outlander plug-in hybrid even adds a driver assist feature that aids in capturing the energy to help recharge the battery that no other plug-in hybrid in its class offers. It's called an innovative pedal. When you remove your foot from the accelerator, instead of just coasting, it actually helps to slow the vehicle more than it would normally. And whether you're using the brake or just coasting, it knows to capture the energy to help recharge the battery. And speaking of capturing the energy, the Outlander plug-in hybrid allows you to select from 4 operating modes while driving to fully optimize efficiency, allowing you to manage your battery your way. Normal mode allows you to take advantage of letting the twin electric motors and gas engine work together to maximize your full range potential. Use Save mode and use the gas engine to save your battery for shorter zero-emission trips. Select EV mode for a quiet drive through a national park utilizing only the electric motors, allowing you up to 38 miles of zero-emission driving. And we can't leave out Charge mode to help recharge the battery as you enjoy the drive. So, you might find yourself going days, weeks, or even months between fill-ups. With Outlander plug-in hybrid, there's almost no limit to what's possible. Every Outlander plug-in hybrid comes equipped with Super All-Wheel Control, a revolutionary all-wheel drive technology. Super All-Wheel Control uses 2 sources of power, combining twin motors, one powering the front wheels and one powering the rear. So you have all-season confidence, extra acceleration when you want it, and mile-stretching efficiency when you need it. You can customize your drive depending on your driving conditions with 7 different drive modes: Power, Eco, Normal, Tarmac, Gravel, Snow, and even Mud. All designed to complement your driving style and assist you in almost any driving situation or your driving mood.
Power mode is my fave. Gotta have fun once in a while.
Behind the wheel, the Outlander plug-in hybrid is a driver's utopia, starting with the 12.3-inch customizable driver's display. Your style, your way. Keep what matters most in your line of sight. The heads-up display projects key driving data right into your field of view. Use available My Pilot Assist to filter out the more stressful parts of the drive. Using radar, cameras, and cutting-edge computing, My Pilot can help keep you centered in your lane and help adjust your steering input to reduce speed when navigating curves. Stop-and-go traffic? This is where you really feel the magic. Give your feet a rest as My Pilot Assist keeps pace with the speed of traffic automatically. The Outlander plug-in hybrid's interior doesn't have to try hard to impress, with features you might think are too good to be true.
Massaging seats, best feature ever.
It's stylish, unexpectedly luxurious, and spacious with seating up to 7. Need a view? Take it all in. Need serenity? The Outlander plug-in hybrid helps you embrace the zen with a luxurious, tranquil interior that uses acoustic glass to help block out road noise so everyone enjoys a quiet, comfortable ride. Technology, the right kind, adds simplicity and makes your drive more enjoyable. Listen at a higher level with a premium audio system by Bose. The Outlander plug-in hybrid's tech makes it easy with voice commands, a large 9-inch touchscreen display, wireless smartphone compatibility, and wireless charging. tap into even more electricity with the Outlander plug-in hybrid's 1500-watt outlet. Ready to power up a world of possibilities. Get an even more personalized driving experience with the My Mitsubishi Connect app. You can start remotely to pre-cool or pre-warm your interior to your desired temperature. Schedule charging times, check battery status, and more, all from your compatible smartphone. The Outlander plug-in hybrid has something for almost everyone in almost every condition. Best of all, it's backed by Mitsubishi Motors' Confidence Integrated Care Program. That includes 2 years of included maintenance, an industry-leading warranty, and roadside assistance. Once you know, you know. With the Outlander plug-in hybrid, there's almost no limit to what's possible on one tank of gas.
Here we go. My first fill-up in 12 weeks.
Where have you been? I haven't seen you in months.